What's the best way to take your methylene blue? I'm going to show you 3 different ways and you can decide which one works best for you. The first one is the way it was designed. Simply pull out a pack, open it up, find the dissolving strip, get the back of your tongue wet. This is a dissolving strip just like a Listerine strip. Simply put it on the back of your tongue. It takes a couple minutes to dissolve. It's got a very strong minty taste. Some people don't mind it, some people don't love it, and that's why we have some other options. But while it's dissolving, try not to rub your tongue on your teeth or your teeth could turn blue. If they do, you can simply brush them. If you don't want the blue tongue or you don't like the taste, here are 2 other options. The way that I do it is I simply swallow it. I fold it in half like this, and then I fold it in half again like this. And you could swallow it with water, you can swallow it with a different drink. I've got my greens and collagen drink here mixed together. This is our Live Good Super Greens, great for digestive health, as well as our collagen, great for hair, skin, nails, joints, just an amazing product. But I do this for 2 reasons. Number 1, I don't love the taste of the methylene blue, and this helps mask the taste a little bit. Also, it's a little bit thicker than water, so I'm able to swallow it a little bit easier. So I'm going to do it right now for you. I get the back of my tongue wet, put it as far back as I can, drink. Easy as that. The third way is to simply drop a dissolving strip into a glass of water. Let it dissolve. If it's warm, it dissolves a little bit faster. If it's cold, it's going to take a little bit longer. Let it dissolve for a couple minutes. I recommend drinking it with a straw because if you don't, again, your tongue could turn blue, your teeth could turn blue. This way it goes straight down, no blueness. Maybe a little bit I got on my tongue. To really maximize your results with your methylene blue, no matter which way you decide to take it, try to get some direct sunlight on your skin within 5 minutes of taking the product, and try to stay out there for about 5 or 10 minutes. Methylene blue is considered photodynamic. That means it has a response to light that further increases the energy production of the mitochondria. So if you can, get outside, get a few minutes of sunlight, it just increases the performance of the product. But either way, you're gonna love this product. It is amazing for focus, for concentration, for memory, and the long-term effects are even better. As we get older, we tend to forget things. We walk into the kitchen, forget what we were there for, misplace our keys, can't pull up words. This product really helps with all of that and helps eliminate it as we get older, as our brain maybe gets a little bit slower. But one more thing, don't take methylene blue every single day. You don't want your mitochondria to rely on it to work correctly. So we recommend every other day, maybe 2 days on, 2 days off, 3 days on, 3 days off. But try to mix it up. You're gonna love this product. It is absolutely awesome.